guys, welcome to TJ Tech, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch 42mm case, base gray aluminium, sports band black. So this is exactly the way I would want it, and this is also my first Apple Watch unboxing experience, so I'm super excited to get right into this. Slides right out just like any Apple unboxing. As usual, you're first greeted with this design by Apple in California. A bunch of instructions. This is obviously bought from the Apple store in Dubai, so a lot of the instructions are in Arabic here. Then I think we have one in English as well. And a bunch of other stuff. Here is one of the straps, or one part of the strap. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. Here I'm going to move the Apple Watch on the side for a second. Here we have the wall connector. Let's have a look. And that is really cool. I've never seen something like this before. Flip the middle one up. Apple branding inside over there as well, designed by Apple in California. Really cool. And of course, here we have the magnetic charging cable. And now let's get right into the main thing. It's got some instructions on how to wear your Apple Watch strap. So obviously this is an extra strap, I guess, in case you want if you have a smaller wrist and the strap that comes attached doesn't fit, so you can always do that. Over here you have 42mm written, Apple Watch Series 3. Really cool, nice black finish. It's gonna really go well with my phone that's coming up very soon. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put this thing on. Let's see how easy or hard this is. This is obviously a lot bigger, the strap is a lot bigger for me, so you know what, I might as well try to swap this. And slide it right out. Super simple. And let's get the other one. You just gotta slide it in, and there you go. It's done, it's ready. So I'm gonna use this strap, and there you go. Looks pretty good. Now of course I would want to turn this guy on, so let's press the power button for a bit. So with the Apple Watch, obviously you want to have an iPhone and the Apple Watch app. So in my case I had removed it, and I'm going to install it again really quick. So once you've got the Apple Watch, let's get the app running. You got to have Bluetooth on, and then let's start pairing. Align it, and your Apple Watch is paired. It's as simple as that. It really doesn't get simpler than this. Wrist preferences. Obviously I wear it on my left hand. That's how I prefer to wear the watches, but look at that. That looks really nice. It's almost like the back of the watch is over here as well. And it takes some time to set up. It's gonna let it do its thing. Agree to all these terms and conditions. So then there are a bunch of settings that you need to do. You have the ability to set up your Apple ID. You can do route tracking, which I'm going to skip for now. You can share your watch analytics, which I'm going to skip for now as well. You can set up an Apple passcode. You can set up your activity. This is basically going to track your daily activity, your exercise, standing, all that kind of stuff. You can set up emergency SOS. And then of course you can install the available apps on your phone. That's where really the power of the Apple Watch comes in. And then after you're done with all of that, there's going to be a whole amount of time that the Apple Watch is going to sync. This does take a little bit of time, and while you are syncing your Apple Watch, you can also learn a bit more about how the Apple Watch works, the basics and things like that. So it's pretty cool overall. It's an interesting way to set things up. The unfortunate thing is that it does take some time, but then once you've done it, you don't ever have to do this again. So it's kind of cool. Take your time, set it up. That's, I think, the right way to do it. Having a look around the watch, at the bottom over here we have all these sensors for the Apple Watch. It's got a nice black aluminium casing. The screen is gorgeous. I love that crown. Overall, it just looks exactly as you would expect it to. This is the Apple Watch Series 3 without cellular though, because we are in the Middle East and we don't have that version. I believe it's only available in North America at this time. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see when the cellular version actually comes here. This is just the one with GPS. And that's really been the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.